Join me as I dive into the top nutrition myths that we all fall for and see if I can bust them once and for all. When it comes to nutrition, there's a lot of misinformation out there that can hinder our progress towards a healthier lifestyle. It's crucial that we separate fact from fiction, especially when it comes to the food we put into our bodies. In this video, we're going to explore some common nutrition myths that might be holding you back from achieving your health goals. Misinformation in nutrition is a significant challenge many of us face. With the rise of social media, it's easier than ever to come across conflicting information that can lead to unhealthy habits and poor dietary choices. This can be overwhelming, especially for those who are new to the world of healthy eating. We've all been there, scrolling through Instagram, seeing a health expert claim that a certain food is good or bad for us, only to find out later that it's not entirely accurate. The lack of regulation in the health and wellness industry only adds to the problem. Anyone can call themselves a health coach or a nutritionist, regardless of their qualifications or expertise. This makes it difficult for us to know who to trust and what information to believe. As a result, many of us end up following unhealthy diets or restrictive eating plans that can do more harm than good. Another issue is that nutrition research is constantly evolving, and what we thought was true yesterday might be proven wrong tomorrow. This can be confusing, and it's easy to get caught up in the latest trends and fads without stopping to think about the science behind them. Let's dive into some common nutrition myths that need to be debunked. One of the most popular myths is that eating fat makes you fat. This couldn't be further from the truth. Our bodies need healthy fats to function properly, and certain fats like avocado and nuts can actually help us lose weight and improve our overall health. Another myth is that low-fat or fat-free foods are healthier than their full-fat counterparts. However, many low-fat foods are highly processed and contain added sugars, which can be detrimental to our health. Full-fat foods, on the other hand, tend to be more filling and can lead to weight loss. Some people believe that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but research suggests that this might not be true for everyone. In fact, intermittent fasting, which involves skipping breakfast, has been shown to have numerous health benefits, including weight loss and improved insulin sensitivity. The myth that you need to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day is another common misconception. While staying hydrated is essential, the amount of water we need varies from person to person, and there's no scientific evidence to support the 8 glasses a day claim. One of the most surprising myths I came across is that eggs are bad for your heart health. This myth likely originated from the fact that eggs are high in cholesterol, but our bodies don't actually absorb much of it. In fact, eggs are a great source of protein, vitamins, and minerals, and they can be a healthy addition to a balanced diet. The reason this myth matters is that eggs are an affordable and convenient source of protein, making them a staple in many people's diets. By believing that eggs are unhealthy, we might be depriving ourselves of a nutritious food that can provide numerous health benefits. It's essential to understand that nutrition is not one size fits all, and what works for someone else might not work for us. This myth highlights the importance of consulting with healthcare professionals or registered dietitians who can provide personalized advice based on our individual needs. In summary, it's crucial to be aware of these nutrition myths that can lead to unhealthy habits and poor dietary choices. By seeking accurate information and consulting with experts, we can make informed decisions about our health and well-being. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's the biggest nutrition myth you've fallen for, and what changes have you made to your diet as a result of learning the truth? Be sure to check out my next video for some healthy eating tips and tricks.